Hello, my name is Idlan Zafri. Today I am going to review a movie from Marvel Cinematic Universe or MCU, which is Spider-Man Far From Home. Okay, so this movie is released early July 2019. The genre is action and adventure, science fiction and fantasy. It is directed by John Watts and rated for PG-13 or Parental Guidance 13. Its runtime is 130 minutes. Okay, so one fact about this movie is instead of using the old red and blue suit for Spider-Man, Parker dons the new red and black suit in this movie. Okay, so next is the cast. The cast for this movie are Tom Holland as Peter Parker or Spider-Man, the famous Samuel L. Jackson as Nick Fury, Jack Gyllenhaal as Quentin Beck or Mysterio, and Zendaya as MJ. So, this movie is about Peter Parker's relaxing European vacation takes an unexpected turn when Nick Fury shows up in his hotel room to recruit him for a mission. The world is in danger as four massive elemental creatures, each representing earth, air, water, and fire, emerge from a hole torn in the universe. Parker soon finds himself donning the Spider-Man suit to help Fury and fellow superhero Mysterio stop the evil entities from wreaking havoc across the continent. Okay, so the features. One of the features that I like in this movie is the soundtracks they used in the movie. It really made the audience get excited while watching the battles. And I think the use of AC/DC song Back in Black really adds up the flavor to the scene as Parker is building his new suit. So next is the special effects. This is the most attractive feature that made me like this movie. The effects used mostly when they are filming Spidey fighting the horrible creature in the movie. And they also made the historical buildings in Prague and Italy destroyed to ashes, and it's really believable for me. And last, the acting. The teenagers cast really brings the comedy and high school vibes to this movie, despite that this is a superhero movie. And choosing Zendaya as the new MJ, I think they actually look pretty cute together. So, to conclude, this movie deserves 5 over 5 stars from me, as they put great work in the special effects and storyline. And not to forget, the comedy inserted in the movie, as Spider-Man is always portrayed as a funny and coward teen. I think each and every fans of MCU will like this movie because in this movie, Spider-Man took a step ahead to actually fight on his own rather than being a support from the previous MCU's movies like the Avengers and the others. So that's it from me. Thank you.